Hi beautiful people, my name is Kiara Ianna. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If not, what's goody? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I like to organize my makeup vanity. I actually use my makeup vanity for two different things. I use it for makeup and hair, but today I'm just going to show you how I like to organize all of my makeup. One of the most homeliest places in my home is my vanity. I spend so much time here. So I'm actually going to have a part 2 of how I organize all of my hair tools, hot tools. I'm so excited to bring this video to you guys because I have a lot of cute organizing storage thingies that I really want to show you guys that I picked up, and they're really affordable. I like to keep everything that I purchase affordable. You guys, just a disclaimer, please do not judge my vanity in the before. You guys, I'm actually just moving into this apartment. You guys know I've been doing different like kitchen renovation, bathroom renovation, or living room renovation. So I was like, I don't know if I should do my vanity yet. So I've just been throwing anything on the vanity and it's been looking really crazy. So don't judge my life, you guys. You know it. We all get a little sloppy sometime. So if you guys are interested in watching this video, then stay tuned. Right now, it really just looks a hot mess. I have makeup and hair supplies over there. I have hair supplies over there. I have makeup stuff in here. I have a whole, that pink bag down there has makeup in it. So to start off, I'm actually just going to start by taking everything off the vanity. All the garbage I'm going to throw in the garbage. All of my makeup and hair supplies I'm just going to put in this really long bin, just so it makes it easier to start separating stuff and organizing stuff. I'm going to just take some Myers all-purpose cleaner and some bleach, and I'm going to bleach that thing to death. I'm just going to use some of these I don't really know what to call these, but you can get these from your 99-cent store, your Dollar Tree, any of those things. It's like a pack of 15 for $1, and it just feels like some really thick paper towels. So I like to use these also. So now the actual vanity table is totally cleaned. However, I'm noticing there's a lot of makeup and stuff, scratches still on it, because I did spray paint this vanity table. It used to be white. It's the mom dresser from Ikea, and I spray painted it black. But being that that stuff is still on the table, I'm actually going to just wrap the table, probably just the top and the inside drawer, with some black contact paper. It's used, so it's all like wrinkly and stuff, but I'm going to use the parts that are not wrinkly. So what's next? I'm going to be using this wallpaper smoothing toolkit that comes with a smooth scraper, dental scraper, a knife, and some blades. So this comes in handy when you're trying to lay down any sort of contact paper. Be sure to check the description box below. I'm going to be leaving all the tools and materials that I used in this video. Okay, so now it's actually time for my favorite part. This is the decor, or the decorating part. I actually went to Dollar Tree and I picked up some just dollar goodies that I thought would be pretty cool to put on top. I guess it's not the dollar store, it's a 99-cent store, but nothing is really 99-cent in there. But let me just show you guys what I picked up. I found this cute thing, which is like a culture holder. for silverware and stuff. I think I'm gonna put my brushes and things in here. I also picked up, this was like a $15 LED mirror. Yeah, if you want to see where I got all my decor and stuff, then keep watching. I got this 8-pack drawer organizer from TJ Maxx, and I really like it because they snap into place, so it just makes it a little bit harder for all the makeup to go flying everywhere. And it also makes it easier to separate all my products and keep them as clean as possible. This set actually came with 10 pieces, but for this look, I just used 2. Alright guys, so I actually took a little nap break, but I'm back at it again. When I woke up, I drove over to Home Goods real quick and I picked up these 2 organizers. This one is an iDesign. It's a 3-drawer clear acrylic organizer. It was only $7.99. This is why I love Home Goods, y'all. I put all of my brushes in this little pencil holder, but I don't like this pencil holder, and it really doesn't go with the aesthetic that I'm trying to give to my makeup vanity. So I also got this from Home Goods. It is a makeup brush organizer as well, and I like this because it spins. So that's perfect because if I'm trying to get to the big brushes or the small brushes or whatever. I'm gonna go wash all my brushes. I have so many to wash, you guys. Let me show y'all one more time. Look out for my next video where I'll be recording a thorough walkthrough of how I clean my brushes and sponges. I use these drawer organizers to separate my palettes from my face products such as highlights and blushes, separate from my glitters and pigments, and separate from my primers and setting powders. And ta-da! Look at how organized that looks. Then I'm going to use these acrylic organizers to separate my lip glosses and lipsticks from my concealers and contour sticks, and from my eyeliners and eyebrow pencils and lip liners. After my brushes are all nice and freshly washed and dried, I'm going to separate them by brand. So this is the Sonia Kashuk brand, the Sephora brand, then it's my BH Cosmetics brand, and some miscellaneous brushes which just include Morphe and e.l.f. brushes. Comment below if you'd like to see a more detailed video on what is inside of my vanity. I'm probably even gonna put like a little drawer handle on my vanity table just so that it looks a little more pristine. It just gives my organizing system a little bit more ease when it comes to opening things. It also will give me a new start and make it look really nice and clean. Look how beautiful and clean and organized my vanity table looks now. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your favorite part of the video. Also, stay tuned for part 2 and 3, where I show you how I organize my hair tools and products and clean my makeup brushes. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.